Hello traders, and welcome to a shorter week of trading. It is Tuesday, January 22nd, 2013. My name is Dez, and I will be your host for the next few minutes or so here. The S&P made it bullish territory today, up 0.44%. The Dow up about a half a percent. The Nasdaq up 0.27%. Russell's up 0.72%. Really strong run on small caps. Banks up 0.86%, leading the charge all day long. Great to see. VIX down 0.24%. We're down below 13 at 12.4. Are you kidding me? That's insane. What I mean by that is this the volatility index. It hasn't seen these numbers, this low of a number in the fear indicator for over 5 years. Gold up 0.36%, silver up a percent, and crude up 0.7%. US dollar off a fraction. And taking a look here, we have Google. Google had a nice drop with the hammer. And any pop over the 100-day moving average, that green line coming across, would be a buy. However, found out earnings came out just after the close today. Big pop and a run. We're at $729 right now. And so we're going to be trading right here to resistance points. Doesn't surprise me that it's hanging up at 729 because that's an area of resistance. We have support here, and if we go back here, it now has gapped up to 729 right there at that resistance point. So tomorrow should be a great time trading this if you're day trading. Oh, and if you haven't done so yet, definitely come over here, go to the website, click on chat room, and here there's chat going on, but you can get a free 30-day trial on this chat room here, and it's all in the morning, but they use a 1-minute chart, so you need to be ready to rock and roll. And anyway, that's a great thing. Apple reports tomorrow. I'm expecting that to even pop higher. So anybody that's holding over earnings, good luck to you. The rule of thumb is never hold over earnings. So there's your warning, all you Apple people. Tomorrow after the market closes, they'll be coming out. So, but with that, on the daily charts, a falling wedge. This is a bullish formation, especially if we can break over 520. On the weekly chart here, you can see we're banging our head at resistance, wanting to bust out. So this thing could get up to 550 really quickly. So something to be watching for. But let's get to the S&P daily. Look at this dude. We had resistance. See this? You can see support here, resistance. We are now over that resistance point. So it broke that line. This is just up and away. I'm actually going to get rid of that line now. This red one's really important. There's your support line. To watch that on the weekly chart, you can see that we're heading higher. We do have some resistance at 1500, but a little ways to get up there to that 1500. Taking a look here at the Nasdaq, same thing. We had this line resistance. We're over that now, so I'm gonna get rid of that line. Just man, up and away. We haven't seen these highs in over 5 years. I mean, it's really strong what we're seeing here in the markets. Take a look at the Dow. The Dow just keeps climbing higher, closing at the day's high. All major indices close at their day highs. You just don't see any upper shadow here at all. Take a look at Facebook here. Check earnings. That we had a pullback. Now it's popping. You have kind of an engulfing type pattern, but technically it's not that. It's starting to make a move to the upside. So especially with Google coming out with great news, that should send this higher. If Apple comes out with great news, it should go higher yet. But one trend line I would definitely have put in there would be this one. It needs to stay above that. If it doesn't stay above $30, it's in trouble. It needs to stay above $30 now. It's very crucial that it does that. And for gold, taking a look here at gold, it's back above this little line, but finding resistance, the 50-day moving average, and we need to get above that to stay strong. But it's had a nice little run here. I'm expecting a pullback any time now, so watch out if you're holding gold at this moment. And something else I'll share with you. If you go here to the trading videos page, you're going to see Nitsa here. So let me give you her email address. It's nitsa@groktrade.com. And we are doing a mentorship in Mexico. It's a live event. I will be there teaching the course alongside Nitsa. I would love to meet you. So would she. It will be done in English. However, we have a simultaneous interpreter there. So it will be interpreted and everything will be in Spanish, in Espanol. And we're looking forward to that. So it's in March. If you want to be with us there in Mexico for this live event, it's a one-time only deal. Certainly contact Nitsa at groktrade.com. Let her know you'd like to talk. She'll put you through a little chat on the phone, a little interview process, find out if you are a right match. Just let you guys know, 50% filled already. So yeah, there it is. So take care, safe trading, share us with a friend, and we do appreciate those who share us on their trading websites.